Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today our topic is curriculum development in teaching. And here we have some MCQs and curriculum development in teaching. Let's start. Our first MCQ is which step in curriculum development involves identifying the learning needs and the objective of student. We have four options: need assessment, option B, content selection, option C, instructional strategies, option D, assessment and evaluation. And the correct option is option A, need assessment. Question number 2. Which type of curriculum focuses on specific subject areas like mathematics or science? Option A, learner-centered curriculum. Option B, problem-based curriculum. Option C, subject-centered curriculum. Option D, competency-based curriculum. And the correct option is option C, subject-centered curriculum. Question number 3. What is the purpose of setting educational goals in curriculum development? Option A, to identify student needs. Option B, to determine instructional strategies. Option C, to measure student progress. Option D, to define desired learning. And the correct option is option D, to define desired learning outcomes. Question number 4. Which curriculum approach places the needs, interests, and abilities of individual student at the center? Option A, learner-centered curriculum. Option B, problem-based curriculum. Option C, core curriculum. Option C, spiral curriculum. And the correct option is option A, learner-centered curriculum. Question number 5. Which step in curriculum development involves designing appropriate assessment to measure student understanding? Option A, need assessment. Option B, content selection. Option C, instructional strategies. Option D, assessment and evaluation. And the correct option is option D, assessment and evaluation. Question number 6. What is the primary focus of the problem-based curriculum? Option A, mastery of subject knowledge. Option B, subject-specific skill development. Option C, real-world problem solving. Option D, personalized learning experience. And the correct option is option C, real-world problem solving. Question number 7. Which type of curriculum emphasizes mastery of specific skill rather than time-based progression? Option A, learner-centered curriculum. Option B, competency-based curriculum. Option C, core curriculum. Option D, spiral curriculum. Correct option is option B, competency-based curriculum. Question number 8. Which type of curriculum revisits key concepts in the progressive manner, adding depth and complexity? Option A, learner-centered curriculum. Option B, problem-based curriculum. Option C, core curriculum. Option D, spiral curriculum. Correct option is option D, spiral curriculum. Question number 9. Which step in curriculum development involves selecting relevant topics and organizing them in a logical sequence? Option A, need assessment. Option B, content selection. Option C, instructional strategies. Option D, assessment and evaluation. And the correct option is option B, content selection. Question number 10. What does an integrated curriculum emphasize? Option A, mastery of subject knowledge. Option B, problem solving skills. Option C, interdisciplinary connection. Option D, personalized learning experience. And the correct option is option C, interdisciplinary connection. Question number 11. Which type of curriculum focuses on engaging students in hands-on experiential learning activity. Option A, activity-based curriculum. Option B, competency-based curriculum. Option C, learner-centered curriculum. Option D, problem-based curriculum. Correct option is option A, activity-based curriculum. Question number 12. Which step in curriculum development involves implementing the developed curriculum in the classroom? Option A, need assessment. Option B, setting educational goals. Option C, implementation and review. Option D, assessment and evaluation. And the correct option is option C, implementation and review. Question number 13. Which type of curriculum leverages technology and digital resources for instructional delivery? Option A, core curriculum. Option B, online or digital curriculum. Option C, subject-centered curriculum. Option D, integrated curriculum. And correct option is option B, online or digital curriculum. Question number 14. What is the purpose of ongoing review and feedback in curriculum development? Option A, to identify student needs. Option B, to improve curriculum quality. Option C, to define desired learning outcome. Option D, to determine instructional strategies. And correct option is option B, to improve curriculum quality. Question number 15. Which curriculum type is aligned with specific competencies that students should acquire? Option A, learner-centered curriculum. Option B, competency-based curriculum. Option C, problem-based curriculum. Option D, subject-centered curriculum. Correct option is option B, competency-based curriculum. Question number 16. What is the main focus of learner-centered curriculum? Option A, mastery of subject knowledge. Option B, subject-specific skills development. Option C, real-world problem solving. Option D, meeting individual student needs. Correct option is option D, meeting individual student needs. Question number 17. Which step in curriculum development involves choosing appropriate teaching strategies and method? Option A, content selection. Option B, needs assessment. Option C, assessment and evaluation. Option D, instructional strategies. Correct option is option D, instructional strategies. Question number 18. Which curriculum approach combines multiple subject areas into cohesive unit of study? Option A, learner-centered curriculum. Option B, core curriculum. Option D, integrated curriculum. Option D, spiral curriculum. Correct option is option C, integrated curriculum. Question number 19. What is the purpose of need assessment in curriculum development? Option A, to define desired learning outcomes. Option B, to determine instructional strategies. Option C, to identify student needs and objectives. Option D, to evaluate the effectiveness of curriculum. And the correct option is option C, to identify student needs and objectives. Question number 20. Which type of curriculum places emphasis on critical thinking, collaboration, and a problem-solving skill? Option A, problem-based curriculum. Option B, competency-based curriculum. Option C, subject-centered curriculum. Option D, learner-centered curriculum. Here, the correct option is option A, problem-based curriculum. Question number 21. Which step in curriculum development involves monitoring student progress and understanding? We have four options. Option A, need assessment. Option B, content selection. Option C, assessment and evaluation. Option D, implementation and review. Correct option is option C, assessment and evaluation. Question number 22. What is the purpose of content selection in curriculum development? Option A, to identify student needs. Option B, to determine instructional strategies. Option C, to select relevant topics and organize them. Option D, to measure student progress and understanding. Correct option is option C, to select relevant topics and organize them. Question number 23. Which curriculum approach aims to create a more personalized and engaging learning environment? Option A, activity-based curriculum. Option B, competency-based curriculum. Option C, learner-centered curriculum. Option D, core curriculum. Correct option is option C, learner-centered curriculum. Question number 24. Which type of curriculum focuses on a set of common subjects that all students are required to study? Option A, learner-centered curriculum. Option B, core curriculum. Option C, problem-based curriculum. Option D, integrated curriculum. Correct option is option B, core curriculum. Question number 25. Which step in curriculum development involves defining the desired learning outcomes and goal? We have four options. Option A, need assessment. Option B, setting educational goal. Option C, instructional strategies. Option D, implementation and review. The correct option is option B, setting educational goal. Question number 26. What is the primary focus of a competency-based curriculum? Option A, mastery of subject knowledge. Option B, subject-specific skill development. Option C, real-world problem solving. Option D, meeting individual student needs. Correct option is option B, subject-specific skill development. Question number 27. Which curriculum type focuses on engaging students in project, experiments, and a practical application of knowledge? Option A, activity-based curriculum. Option B, core curriculum. Option C, problem-based curriculum. Option D, spiral curriculum. Correct option is option A, activity-based curriculum. Question number 28. What is the purpose of assessment and evaluation in curriculum development? Option A, to identify students' needs. Option B, to improve curriculum quality. Option C, to define desired learning outcome. Option D, to measure student progress and understanding. Here the correct option is to measure student progress and understanding. Question number 29. Which curriculum approach introduce key concept and topic at a basic level and revisit them in a progressive manner? Option A, problem-based curriculum. Option B, competency-based curriculum. Option C, spiral curriculum. Option D, core curriculum. Correct option is option C, spiral curriculum. Question number 30. Which step in curriculum development involve collaboration and feedback from stakeholders? Option A, contact selection. Option B, need assessment. Option C, implementation and review. Option D, assessment and evaluation. Correct option is option C, implementation and review. Thanks for watching.